totoo ang unang hirit. Ang saya-saya sa unang hirit. Unang hirit.
We can all decide kung anong gagawin para matuloy itong paglilitis.
Pero hindi kayo papayag na ibaba na yung hatol
Well,
ng Senator Judge?
depende kasi buti na lang meron tayong mga doktor dito, no, who are not part of the impeachment process. We want to know, since sila yung qualified na tignan talaga yung medical condition, kung ano ba talaga, kung kaya niya ba or hindi. Because I think there is really basis for the Senate President to make that ruling because you really have to subject kung ano yung direct testimony niya to cross-examination in order to test his statements for accuracy and veracity. Pero kung ito naman ay masa-strike out at sasabihin ng mga doktor na talagang malubha ang kanyang kondisyon, then I think that's already unfair then. But then kung wala namang reason para hindi siya humarap dito at ayaw niya lang, then it's unfair then for the prosecution na hindi na mag-stay dyan ang kanyang testimony without being subjected to cross-examination.
Okay. Congressman, victory at hand na ba ang prosecution dito?
Well, we do not want to say that kasi as early as nung matapos kami, even before the Chief Justice testified, we are already confident, no, na we have established a strong case. I wish the Chief Justice well, no, but I will not be kind to him. I think his actuations yesterday would really show that he did not intend to be cross-examined. Tumayo siya, naglakad siya, lumabas siya, etc. Inihanda yung sasakyan niya. Kaya talagang wala siyang plano. This was all part of the script from where I stand.
Okay.
And so we would move, I guess, strongly for what was declared in yesterday's hearing that with or without him, the impeachment court should make a decision.
Last na lang to, anong pakiramdam nung 2 beses o 3 beses yata kayong tinignan, no? Matalim ang tingin ni Chief Justice sa prosecution, yung mga kongresista na nagsampa ng impeachment article sa kanya.
Para sa akin,
tinitigan mo ba?
Hindi ko nga napansin eh.
Bakit? Nagte-text ka, no?
Pero sa akin naman, wala namang problema sa akin. Walang personal, trabaho lang.
Okay. Abangan mamaya ang impeachment trial sa GMA News TV alas 2 po ng hapon. Maraming salamat, Congressman Ray Umali ng House Prosecution Panel at kay Atty. Karen Jimeno, tagapagsalita po ng Defense Panel ni Chief Justice Renato Corona. Yan po ating naging talakayan. Magbabalik po unang hirit.
Start your day the healthy way with Century Bangus. Ang paborito niyong tosino, longganisa at tapa, nasa healthy Century Bangus na. It is boneless, has 0-gram trans fat, and has omega-3. Enjoy it with Century Bangus Teriyaki Sandwich.